On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of YouTube. So the first thing you'll do, you just go to YouTube, and then once you're logged in to your YouTube account, once you are logged in, you're going to click your profile on the right corner of your desktop. So once you click your profile, you just click on this menu. You're going to select the fourth option, that is sign out. So if you click here, you'll be automatically signed out of YouTube. And if you want to sign out of devices that you no longer have access to, you're just going to click here on myaccount.google.com. So once you click on that, you click on security, and then once you click on the security, you'll find you scroll down here and you're going to find your devices. So once you're here, you just you click on manage all devices. So here are the devices, and you're just going to select like this one. I'm going to click this one. Let me select yeah, so here is a list of devices that I no longer have access to. So you can just click here and then you click sign out, and then you'll be done, but some apps might still be access. So you just click like that, and that is how you log out from some devices that you no longer have access to. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye.